Hi friends, as a student of pronunciation, it's very important that you become familiar with 17 Vietnamese consonants. Wow, it's really much. How can we remember them all today? Don't worry, we will learn in groups of similar consonants. At first, please remember for me the sound because most of the consonants that we learn today will have the sound in pronunciation. For example, b, g, y, d, g, h, l, m, n. Do you hear the sound Now we begin with the first group of consonants. They differ in a way we flick our lips. M. We flick the lips lightly. M. M. And now B. We flick the lips stronger. B. B. And now P. We flick the lips very strong. P. 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 Lặp lại theo tôi nhé. M. B. P. Lần nữa nhé. M. B. P. M. Mẹ. Mẹ. B. Ba. Ba. P. P. Pin. Pin. They differ in a line only. D has a line in the middle, but Y has no line. Y. 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 D. 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 Y. Da. 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 D. Đi. 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 For the consonant Y, Northern people will pronounce it as Z. 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 For example, yeah, they will say za. Za. It's very interesting. The sound comes out strongly and heavily in the middle from the throat. G. G. In the middle. Ga. In the middle too. Just need to change the shape of mouth. G. Ga. G. Ga. G. Cá. Ca. Ký. 3 ký cá. Again please. Cờ. Cá. Ca. Ký. 3 ký cá. With the consonant, just imagine someone is blocking your neck. It's like a growling sound. G, g, g. And with the consonant H, imagine we take a breath and breathe out. Use a little sound in nose and make it clearer. H, H, H. Lặp lại theo tôi nhé. G, H, G, H, G, ga, ga, ga. H, hoa, hoa, hoa. L, L. Bend the tongue and let it touch at the upper teeth and flick it out. L, L, L. N. Now we will put tongue at the upper jaw here, upper jaw, and open the lower jaw. N, N, N. Lặp lại theo tôi nhé. L, 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 N, N, N. L, ly, cái ly, ly, cái ly. N, no, no, no. Don't say no. No. Imagine that a balloon is being deflated. Do you hear the sound? It's very thin. Now we say it. Sa, sa, sa. And with the consonant sh, we bend the tongue a little. And the sound is thicker. Sh, sh, sh. Lặp lại theo tôi nhé. S, sh. Different. S, sh. Nhanh hơn nha. Faster. S, sh. S, xe. Sh, số, số. Again. S, xe, xe. Sh, số, số. In English, we pronounce it TV, but in Vietnamese, we will say it tờ, vờ, because we have the sound inside our throat. Don't forget it, please. Now, repeat after me, please. Tờ, vờ, tờ, vờ. TV, TV, TV. Don't say TV. It's English. TV. A lot of people in the South will pronounce the as yeah, yeah. For example, we have a word đi vô. They will say đi vô, đi vô. with the consonant, we will bend the tongue and open the mouth, but don't let it touch at the upper jaw. Now we push it out. R, R, R. Làm lại nhé. R, R, R. Ra, ra, ra. Đi, ra, đi, ra. A lot of local people in the South will pronounce it as G. Yeah, G. For example, with đi ra, they will say đi ga, đi ga. And in the North, people will pronounce R as Z, Z. So, with đi ra, they will say đi ra, đi ra. Lặp lại theo tôi nhé. R, R, R. Ra, đi ra. This is a special consonant because we can't create any meaning word from quy, but with qua we can. So we will put the single vowel u after single consonant quy to create a double consonant qua. For example, quy and a, no meaning. But qua, a, qua, 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 a, qua. Lặp lại theo tôi nhé. Quy, quy, quy. Next lesson, we will learn more about qua. Now, we revise on group of consonants today. M, M, B, B, P, P, Y, Y, D, D, K, 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 G, G, H, H, L, L, N, N, Sh, Sh, S, S, T, V, T, V, R, R. Quy, quy. Lần nữa nhé. M, B, P, Y, D, K, K, G, H, L, N, L, N, Sh, S, T, V, R, quy. I hope after learning this lesson, you can pronounce Vietnamese consonants easily. And don't forget to watch the next lesson to know how to combine single consonants with single vowels and know how to use final consonants and first consonant. It's time to say goodbye and see you later. Xin chào và hẹn gặp lại.